everyone, it's Janelle from the YarnNecklaces channel, and I guess you're here because you know what today is. It's giveaway day. So last week I made a tutorial on how to make this spooky spiderweb necklace, and I let you know if you left a comment below and let me know what your favorite Halloween candy was, then you would be entered in the drawing to win this necklace. So today's the day. And I just wanted to thank you all for being a subscriber on my channel and watching my videos. And I had a lot of fun just reading all your comments about what kind of Halloween candy you liked. So let's go ahead and get started with our drawing. So I already put the link in here to our video, which was this one. And I'm going to filter out duplicate users, which I don't think there was any. And I don't think we need to check anything else here. So we'll go to get YouTube comments. And we had 37 entries. And then we go down here and start raffle and pick random winner. Let's get it started. Here we go. And our winner is Ellie. Oh, I don't know how to say your last name. Leva. Sorry, I don't know how to say your last name. And her comment reads, "My favorite Halloween candy would be anything chocolate with no peanuts, peanut butter. Just chocolate is good for me, LOL." But Ellie, you are the winner, and you are going to win this spooky spiderweb necklace. So just send me an email. My email is yarnnecklaces@gmail.com, and I'll put a link below, and you can copy it from there and just send me an email. Just let me know within 48 hours what your shipping address is, and I will mail you the necklace. So if I don't hear from you within 48 hours, I'll have to do another drawing because I want to get the necklace out soon, so that way the person who won it can wear it for Halloween. So thank you guys so much for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. And if you didn't win this time, it's okay. I'll be doing more giveaways. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.